Okay, here it is. We're going to be opening up the Porter Cable 12.5 inch 15 amp portable planer. The wonderful manual. Got a handle up here on top. Man, this is difficult with one hand. There we go. There's the plinter. I'm not sure if there's going to be any assembling. Maybe just the handle. Not sure. I'll know when I get it out, I guess. So I'm going to get this thing set on the bench and bring you guys back to see what we got. Okay, so I got the planer out on the bench. This cord may cause me a problem. So I kind of wanted to feed things in through this side and out through this side. And by doing that, I'm pretty sure this is the inlet, and it's going to be going across to plug it into the wall. So I may end up having to turn it around. Sorry for all the noise. The neighbors are driving their dirt bikes up and down the street. Anyways, the table's come down. You can see inside there's something that I probably have to assemble, but it won't come out. So I gotta put the handle on, crank it up, and hopefully this stuff will pop out. There it is. Make sure to get this stuff out, the most important stuff, silica gel. Alright. I don't know if I'm going to be able to unwrap this with one hand or not. Oh, we got styrofoam. Looks like it's just the top cover that would go right here. I'm getting oil all over my hands. And got some sort of hardware and a top cover. I'm going to get that on and then bring you back for just to go over the planer. Sorry, these kids are distracting me with their motorcycles and ATVs and everything else that they're, you see them right there, driving up and down the street. Anyways, back on track. I'll bring you guys back as soon as I get this top mounted on. Okay, so that took me about 5 minutes. 4 of them minutes being reading the instructions. The only thing I had to do is I put a screw in the handle and then put the top on, and there's 2 knobs that hold it, one here, one here. I did turn this around. There was no way I was going to be able to run it the other way with the cord going across. So the on-off switch is back here, You've got your thickness gauge here. So this would be the in feed going out to the out feed.